In this video, I will show you 5 free affiliate marketing tools that I'm personally using inside my affiliate marketing business and how you can also get benefit from these tools. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. The first tool which I want to show you is answerthepublic.com. So if you don't know what answerthepublic.com does, then answerthepublic.com will give you the questions that people are asking about anything. So for example, if you want to create a content on TikTok or you are writing a blogs on Google, if you want to do the keyword research, then Answer the Public is the best free tool. So now I will show you how to use Answer the Public. So here you can see, here I need to enter the topic. So for example, I will write affiliate marketing. Then here you need to select the country. So for example, I select United States and the language is English. And once I click here on the search button, so you can see here, Answer the Public give me 388 results about affiliate marketing. And these are the real questions that real people are asking about affiliate marketing. So here you can get a very good visual presentation for the questions that people are asking. And if you want to see these results in a table, then you just need to click here on this data. And here you can see I have a lots of keywords about affiliate marketing. Here you can see people are asking about, is affiliate marketing legit? Can affiliate marketing be a career? How affiliate marketing works step by step. So these are the real questions that people are asking on YouTube and Google. And you will also get a question to save this image. So suppose if you want to save this visual presentation as an image, then you just need to click here. Then you need to create your free account to download this image. So now if I go down and click here on this data, then you can see I got a lots of keywords about affiliate marketing. I can use any of these keywords to get an inspiration about my YouTube video. So this is the free tool that I'm personally using to get a keyword idea for my YouTube channel. And now the second free tool that I want to show you is a canva.com. So if you are a designer, then you probably heard the name canva.com. So Canva is a free tool that will allow you to create any type of design. You can see here by using Canva, you can create a document, whiteboard, YouTube banner, video, presentation, resume, Instagram story, as well as lots of other things. And right now I'm using Canva to create all of the presentation slide for my YouTube video. So if you saw one of my YouTube video before, then I use Canva to create all of my presentation. And Canva is a very easy to use. You just need to use a drag and drop editor to create any type of presentation that you want. And here you can see I'm also creating all of my YouTube thumbnails using Canva. So if you are watching this video right now on my YouTube channel, then you probably saw one of these thumbnails. And the best thing is Canva is a 100% free tool and you don't need to pay anything to use Canva. So the third free tool is bit.ly.com. So bit.ly will allow you to shorten any of your link that you want. And by using a bit.ly, you can manage a lots of your link. So suppose if you are an affiliate marketer and you are promoting a lots of different affiliate product at once, then bit.ly will help you to manage all of your links, as well as you can scan your QR code and you can also use a link in bio feature. And the best thing is bit.ly is a free tool. You don't need to pay anything to use bit.ly. And here you can see this is my free bit.ly account that I use to manage all of my links. You can see here this is my link affiliate marketing case study, and by using a bit.ly I know that where I am getting traffic to my link, as well as bit.ly will show you the locations that which country people are clicking your link. So if you are an affiliate marketer, then you need to know all of these things and bit.ly will allow you to do that. Now the fourth free tool is Systemy.io. So Systemy.io will allow you to create a funnel as well as your email automation sequence. So if you are an affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start using bit.ly. So bit.ly have a free as well as a paid plan. But if you are a beginner affiliate marketer and you don't have more than 2000 people inside your email list, then you can use bit.ly for free. And even in a free plan, you can get access of all the tools that is required. And here you can see right now I'm using bit.ly to create all of my funnels as well as my email automation sequence. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start using Systemy.io. If you want to create your free account, then check the link in the description below. Now the last tool is Snaptik.app. So Snaptik will help you to download your TikTok video without any watermark. You can also download the TikTok video from your TikTok app. But if you do that, then you will have the TikTok watermark in your video. But if you don't want a TikTok watermark in your videos, then you can use a Snaptik. You just need to copy your TikTok video link, then come here to Snaptik and just paste your link here, and you just need to click on download. So why you need your video without watermark? So if you are affiliate marketer, then what I'm doing right now, I just create a one video in my TikTok account, Then I download that video without watermark using Snaptik, and then I post the same video inside my Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels and YouTube Shorts. So if I do that, then I will get a lots of views as well as a lots of leads by just creating a one piece of content. So right now, if you are creating a TikTok video to promote any product in any niche, you can use this same thing. Just post your TikTok video inside your Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels and YouTube Shorts, so you will get more traffic and you can also build your email list. So that's why Snaptik is the best tool to download your TikTok video without any watermark. So these are the free tools that I'm personally using inside my affiliate marketing business. And now if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I have something for you. I want to give you my free affiliate marketing case study. So inside this case study, I will show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. I will show you which product I'm promoting. I will show you how I'm driving targeted traffic to promote that product for free, as well as I will show you my funnel and my email automation sequence. And I will also allow you to clone my exact affiliate marketing business that allow me to earn commissions while we are sleeping. So if you want to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. And now if you have any question related to this video, then just comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. And right now if you are also an affiliate marketer, then tell me that which free software or tools that you are using right now inside your affiliate marketing business that I didn't cover in this video. See you in the next video.